Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. I am here to talk to you guys about a cool new feature that you will be seeing on Amazon storefronts called Amazon's shoppable image. So one thing I do want to ask before we jump into it is how often are you guys updating your Amazon storefronts? Our team would suggest that you should be updating your Amazon storefronts quarterly at a minimum. And the reason why is Amazon is consistently rolling out really cool features and functions within the Amazon storefront that can really help with your engagement and of course your overall sales. So highly recommend that if you aren't doing that already, you start at a minimum updating that storefront on a quarterly basis. If you can do it sooner, maybe you have updated lifestyle images, maybe you have updated product images, you should be making those updates as that new content rolls in from just your business perspective, right? So obviously as those things are rolling in, that's when you should also be making those storefront adjustments. Now, obviously, as you guys know, the Amazon storefront is honestly just a really great place for a brand to express themselves, right? Amazon is super limiting when it comes to brands being able to branch out and show what they're made of and just show their true colors, right? So it is really important that you do use the spaces that Amazon does allow to just express who you guys are as a brand, right? So this new product, or I'm sorry, not this new product, this new function that's going to be within your Amazon storefront is called a shoppable image, where basically it's a feature that will allow an image to really come to life. So there's going to be basically different pinpoints, and I'll actually share my screen and show you guys what it looks like. But it's basically going to have little pinpoints on a lifestyle image, for example, that will allow customers to be able to move between different products within that given lifestyle image. So what's really cool about it is customers will be able to hover over those different aspects of the lifestyle image, and they'll be able to see the product name. They're going to be able to check out the price point, the number of reviews, and if the product is Prime eligible, which is really cool. It will allow them to be able to add the product directly to their cart, or it will allow them to go to the product detail page so that they can check out more information, which is really cool. So I'll go ahead, share my screen here. Give me a second. Share screen. All right, awesome. So this is the example that Amazon has given you guys, so you can check out to see what shoppable images will look like on your actual storefront. So the one example they have here is a lifestyle image, which is what we would suggest doing, just because honestly, guys, this is just a great way to bring it to life, right? So my assumption is just by looking at this image, they are selling, of course, these cooking utensils. They're going to be selling this blender, and I'm assuming that glass is what I'm guessing. So basically what someone would be able to do is they'd be able to go through the actual lifestyle image and be able to see, okay, here's that cooking utensil, here's that glass, here's that blender, right? So if you have a large catalog, this honestly makes sense to try out because it's really a cool way for someone to engage with your actual storefront, which is really cool and will result in more sales. Now, as far as what Amazon storefront has to offer, there's just so many different opportunities. There's video that's available. You're really able to play with the images now. You're able to have GIFs in some of them. You're able to add even more video, not just one, multiple videos. You're able to add in different sections in your storefront. So you can see right here, it says blenders, mixers, juicers, etc., right? It's listing out all their different sections or different product categories that they have. It's really just a great place to express yourself as a brand, but also just a great place to drive external traffic. And what's really great is something that we've definitely talked to you guys about is Amazon does have Amazon external storefront tags that you can set up when you are sending in external traffic, right? So using that feature and of course using everything the storefront has to offer, the storefront is honestly just a great place to drive traffic and really just express yourself, try out those different features, and drive in Amazon sales. So using all those features, trying out these different things, we would highly recommend you invest some time into updating your Amazon storefront and of course trying out this new feature here. and let us know how it is. I mean, we can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Feel free to send us examples of your Amazon storefront. We would absolutely love to check it out. Now, as far as all of that goes, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next week.